creators, today I'm doing a unboxing and a review video on the iVlog4 smartphone video kit, which is a Movo product. Movo was actually kind enough to send me the product, and I would only do a review if I really liked it, and I really like it. It's really changing my video setup, so I'm gonna unbox it, I'm gonna show you everything that comes with it, and I'm also going to show you the kind of quality you'll get. I should have introduced myself. Hi, I'm Koki. I create tutorials and tips for streamers and content creators, and my goal is to help you guys avoid burnout, plan your content, and just give you guys all the resources you need to stream, create videos, content, all that stuff, while keeping a balance in your lives, whether you have a 9-to-5 job or you have other commitments. I'm here to help. This video is actually being filmed with the tripod, the microphone, there's also a wide angle lens that I've attached to my phone, and there's also a mini light. So that's most of the things that come with it. I will show you guys a little bit of what it looks like on my end, but the great thing about it is it's loads of different pieces, so you can choose which pieces you want to use, and the things that I'm getting the most use out of are definitely the mini tripod, the wide angle lens, and this microphone, because I do like just being able to pick up my phone and start filming while I'm still sat at my desk and not having to go and get out my DSLR and set up the big tripod. This is a good option if you want to start vlogging, or if you just have a phone but you need better equipment to increase your video content creation game. Let me show you guys what I've got going on right in front of me now, and then we're going to get into the unboxing first. I'm glad I have this to film on, because I was going to film using this a lot today and it's completely dead because I forgot to charge it. But I never forget to charge my phone. Okay, so this is currently what I can see. You got the light, I've got the other end of the microphone on top, there's my phone with the lens over it. Oh look, there's me in the reflection of my phone. And then I've got this like extra mount around the phone that comes with, the one where you can, you know, angle your phone. It's got a ball there. There's an extra arm, and then there's also the mini tripod part. Okay, let's get into the unboxing. This is the box for the iVlog4 smartphone video kit. It's quite a nice box, and inside the box, the first thing you get to see is the little instruction booklet on how to put things together and how they work. So I thought this was really handy because I had no idea how to set up some of the things, like the microphone for example. And then there's this really nice case inside the box. So all of it comes in this nice black case that has a handle and has a zip. And then once you open it, this is what it looks like. So everything has its own place, which I really like. It's not just thrown in there. So one of the first things I picked up was the microphone. And then this is the P3 smartphone holder, which you can expand to hold your phone, whatever phone size you have. And you can also rotate your phone, which is really cool. So you can have it landscape or you can have it portrait. And it also comes with these, oh, they're just called levels. It also comes with a Bluetooth remote, which is pretty cool. And then I'm getting out the tripod. It comes with a MVT1 miniature tripod, and it is also a customizable tripod. So the miniature tripod features a rotating head and adjustable legs, a high extension pole, and padding grips for handheld use. Now I'm just unboxing the transmitters that come with this. So the transmitters are used for the microphone. They have a 200-foot transmission rate. So it's a powerful wireless microphone system that allows the subject to stand up to 200 feet away from the recording device and still be heard clearly. So yeah, these are the transmitter and the receiver packs. Both of them need 2 AAA batteries, I believe I had to get for them. This next piece is really interesting. So it is called a SPR5 smartphone cage. And basically it's so you can attach more of the components to the small tripod. It's also great if you want to put your phone or camera on it and then hold the two side pieces if you want to take some really cool B-roll footage. It gives you that like sturdy balance to your shots. This is the extension pole for the tripod. And then I just pulled out some more wires. It comes with wires so that you can connect different types of phones and cameras. And then this is a LED XS panel light that it comes with. It already comes charged with some sort of battery. It also has an adjustable light. This is a LED WA wide angle lens that it comes with, and this is specifically to put onto a smartphone. It comes with a clear plastic thing on the screen, so the screen has been protected. So I just took that off, and I was really fascinated by this little piece of equipment. I didn't expect to get that. So then I just took out the foam padding just to show that that's everything in that side of the carrier. It also comes with a nice wrist strap if you want to use that to help you carry, I don't know, your phone, or you can attach it to the tripod. It comes with like one of those microfiber cloths for cleaning the screen of your camera. It also comes with some extra components, something you can use to attach your like transmitter to the tripod, and like a clip for the little lens to attach to your phone. So that's everything in the case. I like it because it has a nice handle, so it's easy to transport and take everywhere. And then I thought I'd just line up all of the items you get in it for this short of the video. I just wanted to show you guys what you get in it for the price you pay. So you get quite a lot. And the great thing about this is you get all these items, but you don't have to use them all at once. You can use all of them if you wanted for one video. And then maybe you just want to use the tripod mount and the microphone for another video. You have the option to change it to how you like it. But yeah, that's everything you get in the iVlog4 smartphone video bundle. Ooh, okay, let's do comparisons. So this is what I sound like with the microphone, and then if I unplug it, is it gonna work mid through the video? Let's see. Now this should be the sound that comes out of my phone. So that's the comparison between the microphone and what it normally sounds like without the microphone. Okay, and now I want to show you guys the difference that this lens makes. So I have 3 different like cameras on the back of my phone, so this might be a bit tricky for me to readjust. But if you look at what you see now, this is with the wide angle lens attached. And now I'm going to show you guys what it looked like before I put on the wide angle lens. Just going to remove it. That's what it looked like before. Now for me to put it back on, it's tricky. Let me just show you guys the magic. Oh, is that on correctly? Let me check. If you guys like the look of this smartphone video kit, then I will leave a link in the description. It will be an Amazon affiliate link, so you will be supporting me if you do for free. I really recommend this. I think there's a lot of good parts, the microphone's decent quality, and I'm very happy with the product, and I can't wait to use it for more vlogging style videos. You could also use this with a DSLR. It comes with the components. I like the camera quality on my phone, and I'm glad I get to utilize it more with video creation thanks to this. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you did like it, thought it was helpful, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions about this video kit, and I'll see you very soon with another video. Don't forget to keep on creating and sharing your passions online. Okay, bye!